day 2. And we just woke up. And this is all my stuff to get prepared for the morning. So let's see how everybody else is doing. Oh, and this is how messy our tent is. Yeah. So, let's see how everybody else is doing. We're eating breakfast right now. Cheap coffee. No $6 cups at Starbucks. And yeah, this is what everybody's doing. Okay, so now we're at the water park here. You gotta check this out. This is insane. Look at that. Isn't that crazy?
Hey.
Hi.
Check out that big
I know,
resort thingy.
right? Isn't that insane? Ridiculous. We're just chilling now after the pool.
Bam!
I'm gonna play this. You just missed Nico like suck at another thing.
That's hot.
What? This? Oh, it is hot. Oh, yours is hotter though. Mine's like warm. Rug. This rug is cool. Why?
Take us to the second floor, she said.
Oh, jeez, guy. Giving us attitude.
Big old Kit Kat.
It's like, we'll give you another black eye. Let's bust some hotel rooms. We should just go up to one and bust open the door. Nina, show them how you dick sling. Dope. Dope. Super dope. Dang! You're kidding me! Oh my gosh!
Filling up water, and sun's. Yep, clouds are starting to. I'm just gonna turn this off because I really don't care going back to the campsite right now. But what are you doing right now? Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Our parents won't let us go to the beach because they're cooking.
and we're supposed to find some help.
Makes no fucking sense at all.
So we're just gonna
As you can see,
wait
like,
here.
the clouds are already like about to take over. I mean, what time is it right now? It's like almost 5, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, 4:42.
Yeah.
And
It's not really working.
Wisconsin. What's so
My
good about
Chicago.
Wisconsin?
Cheese head.
Give me hanging off the apple. Nina, Nina. Don't talk to Brian tonight. Hey. Nina. Na 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 na. Quit it. Just stop. Stop playing games. When are you gonna stop, Needle? That's a bother of medicine. Enough. Quit playing games with Ryan. With Ryan. With Ryan. He's gonna say, goddamn. Nina, take my hand and put it in my pants. Yeah, baby. yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Playing games.
Yeah, it's over. So, yeah, Mari's camera doesn't work, and that's all we came to the beach for.
FML, SMH,
Frickin' yeah.
KYS,
I
GFY.
want to go home.
Elemental P. QRS.
E.
Shit.
Oh my god, this beach is so beautiful. With so many fucking seagulls.
Fuck you, Wisconsin.
Take one. Take one.
Now slow motion. Nico limping. Take one.
Quit rolling, that shit hurts.
Hey guys, where are my sandals?
What the fuck? You see that thing I had to try to do that? After I just busted my shit.
I know you
snowboarding.
Where are my sandals?
Yeah, beat that hoe. Damn, never asked me.
Tina, seriously, where are my sandals?
You have the funniest face ever. You're just like.
Her ass. That's where Ryan be at. Damn, my nigga.
Hey, you should throw it over there.
That's all fucking neat up.
Legendary walk at night. You can't see us, but just listen to the audio. You know, you can hear us, right? That's Madi. Yeah, no, that's me. But yeah, we're just taking a walk, chilling. We don't get raped. Yeah. By other people. Yeah. But I have her. Yeah. My sister. Oh, by those people. Yeah. Gonna rape us when we come back. Bye, guys. Hopefully. Bye. Hopefully live. Okay, cool.
Wait, they don't have
they
a
just
flashlight?
left us, like our
Not
parents.
cool.
Yeah, they just not cool at all. Like,
You're
they
not
just,
supposed to leave adult
Yeah,
supervision.
yeah, they
this
just
is
adult
literally like every
supervision.
child except for Nathan.
yeah, I know exactly. They left us in the freaking pitch black dark in a campsite in Wisconsin.
Ditch us first though.
Let's go the long way just to scare them.
Yeah,
They blame it on
yeah, in the pitch black. So like,
your fault, Gracia. Why the hell
this is a wonderful family trip.
What was it last day of camping?
Last night, guys. Last night.
No.
Thank freaking God.
Back in Illinois tomorrow.
I'm sorry.
We're actually going to be serviced by T-Mobile instead of like Einstein PCS.
I don't know what the hell is that.
That was PCS.
No, it's PCS.
Hey, vagina. Can't really see, but this is Nina at like 12:30 in the morning.